Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a little bit of a review with some coins and counting them. This Thursday you will have your test on counting money. So we will review some of the coins and their values and count some of them. And you can review this video every day until we have the test. Okay, so let's look up closer. The first coins I have here are quarters. And I have some facing up and some facing down, so you can see what the front of the quarter looks like and the back of the quarter. And I have 4 quarters here, and if you remember when we reviewed in class, we talked about counting quarters: 25, 50, 75, $1. Each quarter is 25 cents, worth 25 cents, and it is the hardest one to skip count by, so we skip count and we practiced saying 25, 50, 75, $1. I know you remember, we were all laughing because I made you repeat it a bunch of times, so I expect that you all remember it, but in case you don't, let's do it again together a few times. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. So, again, 25, 50, 75, $1. 4 quarters equal $1. 1 quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 3 quarters, 75. 4 quarters, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Then we have dimes. Dimes, and the quarters other than the $50, which I don't have any here to show you. We've seen them. The $50 is the bigger coin, and it is worth 50 cents. 2 $50 equal $1. But of the more common coins, the quarter, dime, nickel, and penny, the quarter is the largest, and it is the greatest value. The smallest coin is the dime, which we see here. However, it is not the least in value. A dime is worth 10 cents. And again, to look closer, we can see the front and the back of the dimes. When we count dimes, we skip count by tens. A lot easier. You learned that back in kindergarten. Let's count together 10 dimes to $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. Moving down, we have nickels. Nickels are a little bigger than dimes, a little smaller than quarters. Nickels are worth 5 cents. I don't have 20 nickels here. I have 10, so we're going to count those to 50 cents. Again, the front of the nickel and the back. And we're counting, skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Then last, we have pennies. The penny is a little different. It is somewhere in size between the nickel and the dime. Pennies are copper in color. The others are all silver. Penny is the only one that is copper. And remember, we talked about the dollar coin, which is gold, and very similar in size to the quarter. We don't use those as often, though, today. Okay, so again, the front of the penny, and do I have a back? There's a back of the penny. And those we just count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cents. Okay, so again, just to review, quarters are worth 25 cents, and we skip count by 25s. Dimes are worth 10 cents, and we skip count by 10s. Nickels are worth 5 cents, and we skip count by 5s. Pennies are worth 1 cent, and we just count by 1s. Now let's just try to do a little practice. I'm going to move all that away, and I'm just going to grab some coins, and we'll count. Okay. So remember when I said, hold on. Bear with me, boys and girls. I'm just trying to reset up my light so that you can see the coins a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so remember when I said you have a group of coins, you need to place them in order from the greatest value to the least. So we have a quarter and another quarter, and then I have a dime, a nickel, another nickel, and 4 pennies. Okay, so there's my coins in order from greatest to least. So we would count, and of course, again, when you do this, you can draw the coins, you can put a Q for quarter, put the letter of it starts, or put the value of it to help you count, and when you do so, then you can write the amount under each as you add it. So I'm showing you with a video. I'm not able to write that, but I'm showing you with real coins. So again, the easiest way is get some coins at home and practice this and try different amounts. So we have 25, 50, 2 quarters. Now we're adding a dime, so we add by 10, 60. Now we're going to nickels, we add by 5, 65, 70, and then pennies goes by 1, 71, 72, 73, 74. Again, 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Let me grab another group of coins. Okay. Let's see, we're going to order them up from greatest to least. Greatest value to least value. So this time we have 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 2 nickels, 3 pennies. And we count. 25, add by 10s now, 35, 45, 55, 65, add by 5s, 70, another 5, 75, 76, 77, 78, 78 cents. Let's try another one. Okay, this time I don't have any quarters in the mix. I'm just grabbing these randomly to show you. And again, this is all practice that you can do at home. And the more you practice, the better you will get at it. Ordering them up from greatest value to least value is the easiest way to do it. No quarters this time. We have 2 dimes, 3 nickels, 3 pennies. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 cents. Let's do one more. Okay. Ordering it up from greatest to least. Okay, this time we have 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 5 pennies. 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Also, just to help you, if we wanted to swap out coins to help us see what value we can replace them with, we have a quarter. So if I want to equal a quarter, there are many ways to swap it out. I could take 2 dimes and a nickel. 2 dimes and a nickel is the same as a quarter, 10, 20, 25. A dime can be 2 nickels, 5, 10, or a nickel and 5 pennies, same thing, equal to a dime. And a nickel and 5 pennies are also equal. So there's lots of ways to equal up your coins and see what has the same value. As you can see, I don't have a really huge group of coins here. I kind of went into my coin jar just to show you. And I'm sure that you can ask your parents to find some coins for you to practice with. And since the test is on Thursday, again, watch this video today and as many days as you need to and as many times as you need to up until the test and even after if it helps you. Also, ask your parents to give you a little stack of coins. Even if you don't have one of everything, practice counting, practice ordering them up and counting your coins. Maybe someone, a sibling or a parent, can sit with you just to check to see if you've got the correct answers. And I think you all should do a great job on the test and counting money. So thank you for watching, and I miss you all. Have a great day. Have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.